Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to post on Pinterest. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. The first thing to do is tap open Pinterest application on your phone, and you'll end up in the homepage of Pinterest if you are signed in. If you are not, sign in with your username and password or with your Facebook account, and from your home screen, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Now, in order to post on Pinterest, tap on the plus icon at the upper right corner, and soon after you do that, from the expanded menu, you can either create a pin or a board. Let me go and tap on the pin option and select your post from your camera roll. Let me select a random picture over here. And once you select the picture, tap on the next button at the upper right. You can go ahead and give your pin a title, write in a description about your pin. If you have a destination website, simply tap on add and add a website by entering the web address. You can describe your pin's details by typing it in, which will help people understand what your pin is about, and tap on next at the upper right. Now, you can go ahead and save it to one of your existing board by choosing it, and with this you'll be able to post a pin or a board on your Pinterest. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.